White Plains Honda, the area's leader in new and certified pre-owned Honda sales and service, knows that there's more to being a great dealership than just location, location, location. It's about family. White Plains Honda is committed to treating your family the way you deserve to be treated, with the best vehicle selection and servicing at the best price. Let the White Plains Honda family take care of your family. Learn more about White Plains Honda at www.whiteplainshonda.com. While you're there, shop our virtual dealership 24/7. Speak to an online representative to answer your questions now. Find out about our internet specials and see what makes us different than your average dealership. White Plains Honda is located at 344 Central Avenue in White Plains, New York.